Hi YouTube, I'm back. I have a little update on Stormbreaker, and I just want to give you an idea of how I ended up finishing. I basically am considering this finished at this point. That's how I'm going to leave it. I'm just going to paint it obviously, but I wanted to show you how this works. So that just peels back, it's Velcro, and it obviously unravels. I flip it over, and there's another Velcro hidden underneath this one, just like that. So again, it separates right there into the separate pieces. But I just wanted to show exactly how I ended up doing that. So again, starts with, here's the, oops, I'm too far over. There's the X, and then this part flips around, and then right underneath here is the Velcro that holds that in place, and this one flips over and sort of tangles around the various pieces of what are supposed to be metal, you know. And then that Velcro holds it just like that. I think once I add some paint and stuff, I should be able to hide that pretty well. I know it's not perfect, but it suits my needs for what I'm trying to do. I want to be able to travel with this. I am a flight attendant, so it makes the most sense for me to have something that comes apart really easily that can be packed into a suitcase. So, all right. Well, thanks so much. It's a lot of fun building this, and look for a really advanced tutorial coming up in the next, I don't know, we'll see, a few days. Bye.